In some 76 states, having a partner of the same sex is a criminal offense. People are being arrested, singled out for physical attack, being tortured, even killed, just for being in a loving relationship. When I raise these issues, some complain that I'm pushing for new rights or special rights for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people. But there is nothing new or special about the right to life and security of person, the right to freedom from discrimination. These and other rights are universal.
It's been a year where we've seen for the first time formal discussion at the United Nations between countries where the violence and the discrimination that people suffer because of their sexual orientation or their gender identity has been formally recognized. But we need to keep that dialogue going, and we need to make sure that those countries that have that are resisting this discussion, or which for their own cultural, historical, religious reasons are reticent on the subject, feel they can come and engage in a discussion about it. From a victim's perspective, violence and discrimination is just that. It's still violence and discrimination whether you're targeted because of your sexual orientation or your gender identity, or whether you're targeted because of your race or your religion. From a victim's perspective, it's equally bad. And from a state's perspective, it's an obligation to address. In some countries, same-sex marriage is very much a priority issue. People are talking about it, and there's a willingness to move in that direction. But there are many other countries where, for LGBT people themselves, this is not the main issue. This is not the first priority. They're far more concerned about trying to get rid of those laws that treat them as criminals, or as trying to get protection in place in law.